Quantity. The includes 100 pieces of bobby pins, gold and black, 100 pieces of U-shaped hairpins, gold and black, 100 pieces black of rubber hairbands and 1 piece of clear plastic box. Easy to carry. These hairpins and hairbands are held in a plastic box, 5.7*4.13*1.37 inch, convenient for you to store and use them, can take them to wherever you need them. Hairpins. The bobby pins are 1.96 inches in length, gold and black, while U-shaped pins are 2.36 inches long, gold and black. With stoving varnishing on the surface. Not easy to break, it is not easy to fade after long-term use. Hairbands. Hairband in black color, made of rubber, 100 pieces in quantity, it can make the hair easy and tidy. Simple to use, comfortable to wear. Wide applications. Fit for most people and different ages, suitable for women and child. Can be easily used for create your own style, which is durable to be used for many times. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome deal. I love that it's organized and has everything I need. Nice and HSNDY.